The Despatch LBB latching system consists of two components, the hook and the latch itself. The latch has three components, the trapeze, the spring, and the spring adjustment screw. Prior to installation, additional tension must be put on the spring to ensure proper closure and holding tension on the door. To increase the tension, tighten the Phillips screw on the back side of the latch. Tighten until there is about 1/8 of an inch of threads showing on the tension screw on the inside of the latch. The hook mounts on the body of the oven. To mount the hook, remove the two screws and replace with the new hook along with the spacer plate in the back. Move the hook as far as you can towards the hinges and then tighten the screws. Don't over-tighten or you will strip the threads. The latch has 4 mounting holes for mounting on the top or bottom of the door. The holes are threaded and the metal is fairly thin, so be sure not to strip the threads by over-tightening. The latch is mounted on the door and through the frame of the door using 2 screws, here and here. To properly close the door, the trapeze must be extended and should engage the hook just beyond the hump on the hook.